Well, with summer soon coming to an end, at least in certain parts of the world, Rollercoin have just released a new progression event called Summer Sunset. Let's see what the new event has to offer. Stay tuned. Okay, so it's time for the sun to set on summer very soon, and it's time for a new progression event from Rollercoin. Let's jump straight into it. In the game section of Rollercoin, you can see the new event here. Let's see more details. So we've got a little bit of more points here. 550 points to get to a higher difficulty level in a game versus the typical 500. We've got the X-Play miner as the most powerful miner in the list if you get to the very end of the progression event with 750 terahash of power per second. The time on this, and this event did just start a few minutes ago, is 5 days, almost 6 days. Okay, so 6 days, you've got 6 days for the Summer Sunset progression event. So what I like to do as usual is I like to show you the list of miners that are in this progression event and how much power and bonus power especially they have as well. So I'm going to get to that list right now and show you all the nice rewards. And here they are on my screen. So we're going to start off with the season token 10 RST, and we go up. There are event passes. Important to get those because we are nearing the end of the season, so that's important for those that need to get the XP points in order to be able to get as many rewards from the season event quests as possible. Okay, and I can see down here that there's actually an 80 EXP one as well. Okay, regarding miners, we get all of these and they start to significantly build up from level 11 with the after party. So halfway through, you'll get the after party at 125 terahash. And like I mentioned, the largest at level 20 is the X-Play 750 terahash, okay? And there is also 350 terahash Sunset Beach at level 18. Sunset Miner R2 at 121. Now the Sunset Beach one has a 2% bonus, so does Sunset City, a 2% bonus. So if you don't have these miners at the moment, then you will get that 2% bonus power for your mining room, okay? That bonus power that I am talking about is this one right here, okay? So I've got 78% at the moment. So you'll be getting all that, okay? 2% on top of that, so I'd get 80. 82, then I get 85 if I manage to get that far, okay? Also, there are the racks with the 5% bonuses and even 3% bonuses, which are further up, the Jet Black Rack 6. Those should be quite easy to obtain. Now, from my experience in progression events, I normally manage to get to around level 10 or 11 if I don't use any multipliers at all and just play and try and accumulate as many points as possible, okay? And that's not playing for 8 hours a day, it's playing maybe 2 or 3 hours a day, okay? If you can manage to fit that in, or you'll need to apply the multiplier. And you can see my tips and tricks video on Rollercoin of how you can actually use the multipliers effectively to get through all of these rewards faster and in a shorter time frame as well. So I have done the maths for you. I have calculated all the miners and the bonus points, and I'm going to tell you that if you manage to get all the rewards, you will be able to get a total mining power of 2 petahash, okay? I believe it was just slightly over 2 petahash. Yes, that's the calculation. So 2 petahash per second. That's quite a significant boost to your mining power, okay? And you have the total number of points that you need here, okay? So experience points. 9,000, 67,500, 31,000. So those are the points that you see at the top of the progression event right here, okay? So those are the XP points. So when completing the games and things like that. So the XP points that are mentioned here, 30 EXP, 80 EXP, those go towards the season, okay? So don't confuse that. So if you go to store here, that's going to these event quests, okay? It's like you're getting these 30 XP, 12 XP. You're getting additional number of those for the rewards here in the season, okay? So you've got more XP, you're building up these rewards even faster, all right? So that is basically the event there with 2 petahash of mining power. Now, how much bonus power you can get, you can calculate that quite easily because most of them are 0 here. So you can calculate you're going to have after party is 1% there. There's 0 here. There's another 1 here. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10% bonus power on the miners if you don't have them already. Now, if you have them already, then that means you can get another one and actually merge it, and you'll be getting even more bonus power. So don't worry because you've already got it, because you can still use it to merge even to uncommon and epic and legendary. So just keep it going because the bonuses will increase significantly, okay? So keep those things in mind. It's the same for the 0% miners. Those 0% miners are the first that I like to merge because I'll get some percentage of bonus out of them, okay, when I do merge them. So if I have the ASIC bit already and I get another one, and then there is the GPU bit and there's 2 of them, and for example I want to merge the 2 GPU bit ones, then I'm going to get a small percentage right there, okay? Now the ASIC bit, I think I already have a few of those, so I can merge them and merge them again, okay? So I'll get even more bonus power and I'll level up. I'll just maybe keep one basic one if it had a bonus attached. So for example, if I already have the after party, I'm going to keep that because I've got 1%, but then I'll try and get another 2 of them, and I can get them from this event. Another 2, I get 2 of them from this event. So I've already got 1, I've got 1%. If I get 2 here and then I merge them, then I'll have an even more percentage, okay? You can check the merges here. You can go to merges, miners, you can search for example for after party, since we started with the example of after party, and you can see that if I were to merge 2 normal ones to the uncommon one, then the 1% will become 1.05%. Every little bit helps, every little bit does count. It's not a significant amount, but it does help. But you can merge those 2 and get an even bigger amount. So in that case, you'd be getting a 1% if you keep the basic normal one, which is in the sheet here. If you've got 1 like this normal, you're going to have that 1%. But then if I've got another 2 and I merge them to the uncommon, I'm going to have an additional 1.05% for those 2. So keep those things in mind because they will add up, okay? So that would be a total of 2.05%, okay? Little things count and they do start to add up. So that is all I wanted to tell you today. Summer Sunset Progression event. You've got practically 6 days to complete and get all of the rewards in this progression event. I hope that you found this video useful. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below. Smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves and thanks for watching.